Are you trying to find the best baitcasting reels? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best baitcasting reels. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. The most well-known Shimano baitcasting reel ever is currently available as the Corrado DC. We could discuss how this reel is loaded with technology, like the Hagane alloy body, X-ship pinion gear support, micro-module brass gears, and cross-carbon drag, but the IDC4 digital brake system steals the show. An inside small microprocessor that tracks your spool tension and speed is part of the IDC4 digital braking system. To automatically change the brake pressure on the fly, the chip measures your spool speed 1,000 times per second each time you cast. Why does that matter? It increases the effectiveness of anglers of all levels of experience. Now, you may switch between tactics and lure weights without constantly adjusting the reel setup. Whether you're flipping a 12-ounce jig or a little Texas rig worm, you can make long, clean casts with less effort. Before using the DC for fishing, only read the instructions, because the IDC4 is factory tuned and doesn't need to be adjusted right out of the box. You've been forewarned. After trying a Corrado DC, you might find yourself craving more. Number 2. One of the very best all-around reels an angler can get today is the Garcia Revo SX. They are the most widely used baitcasting reel from Garcia for a reason. It arrives at 2 distinct speeds and is really lightweight. If you're searching for a reliable, multi-purpose casting reel, the 6:1 SX will perform admirably in a variety of fishing situations. The 7:3:1 variant, on the other hand, will work better for you if you want to pitch and flip jigs or soft plastic creature baits, burn and topwater lures, or all of the above. With the 7.3 speed, you can make more casts. The most recent model features an improved D2 durajar and clutch, in addition to a hard coating on the pinion and pawl that reduces friction. Thanks to its side plates and Fini magnetic brake system and 9+1 ball bearings, the Revo SX has an incredibly smooth cast. If you want a new reel that is versatile, performs well, and is reliable while not breaking the bank, this is an excellent choice. Number 3. I've always thought of 13 Fishing as a company that creates attractive things and uses flashy advertising. No exception is made by the Concept C, which promotes a zero-bearing design. It has a bright red baitcaster with attractive matte black knobs and a handle. They can undoubtedly create a visually appealing reel, but does it pass the test? How is that expected to function without bearings? Ball bearings are replaced with solid polymer bearings in the Concept C. The performance of your reel won't be affected by dirt and debris building up and clogging the bearings in a solid bearing. The fact that this technology is impressive and has maintained a high performance level for a number of years confirms the buzz. The Concept C has demonstrated that it is more than adequate on the fishing front. A special arrowhead line guide and waffle spool make casting a breeze. The integrated 6-way centrifugal brake enables casting of crankbaits and jigs weighing from 3/16 of an ounce to 1 ounce. The lack of external access to the brakes is a drawback. But once inside, adjusting the brakes is as simple as turning the dial to a position between 0 and 6. Number 4. The Tournament MP is a tournament angler's dream. It's challenging to outfit 6 to 8 rods with $200 plus reels, which is why reels like the Tournament MP are so well liked. They cast far with little effort, just like the majority of other loose items. When using lighter jerkbaits and crankbaits, this feature is significant. The MP uses LFS construction, making it lighter, quicker, and stronger than earlier reels. To clarify, it refers to a one-piece forged aluminum frame, a drilled and anodized aluminum spool, and duralumin gears. This reel really is strong. Bass fishermen will adore its abundance of performance characteristics. It has a small, palm-friendly design and a large grip with massive paddle knobs. Big knobs are useful for prying large fish from cover. 4 pins located inside the side plate and a dial for precision adjustment on the outside make it simple to fine-tune the brakes. The fact that there are 4 different gear ratios to pick from, ranging from 5/6:1 to 8.3, the first of may be the best feature. Number 5. We prefer the STX range for its premium bearings and braking system, as well as its 3 selectable gearing ratios. In essence, the Revo STX is a highly refined version of the Revo SX. In the STX, there is a gear ratio for every driver, but the SX only has 2. The reel has 10+1 bearings and weighs 6.4 ounces instead of 6.9 ounces. The braking mechanism is where the 2 models diverge most. In addition to a centrifugal brake system update called the Infini brake system, the Revo STX incorporates a magnetic system. You must decide for yourself if the additional cost for the improved braking system is worthwhile. You can anticipate a D2 gear design with lots of cranking and hook setting power, a smooth carbon matrix drag system, and an ergonomic design that is simple to palm on all Revo reels. The STX can be the reliable reel you've been looking for. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.